Holy. Headed back from the old failed spearfishing trip. Decided to stop at a roadside creek that I've fished once before. It was crystal clear and had big bass in it then. Figured I'd run a buzz bait through here and see what happens. Probably too deep for this, but who knows. Last time I was here, the only thing I threw was a frog the whole time.
Oh, really?
And I just like murdered them. Aha! Oh! I got smoked by one, didn't get him. Oh, dude. They're in here. I got him. I got him. I got this one. Ultralight! Oh, ultralight boat flip! Oh, yeah, that's a good fish. This is how we do it. Dan, 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 dan. I was like, maybe they're just up here in the shallows on these rocks, and sure enough, solid. Solid. Hard to beat on, you know, a 5-foot Black Max 1000 size spinning reel. He even took a little bit of drag. Honestly was concerned about that. The old boat flip there. I mean, honestly, if we're not catching them on top water, do we even want to catch them? Oh, that was a green sunfish bite. Oh yeah, got a greenie. No, 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 baby bass. Dude, we come out here for the donks. I tell you what, that's what we're here for. Y'all out there catching dinks. We out here catching donks. I'll hand you this rod and I'll go rig my other one up. Here. Slap this on your hat while you're...
Alright, ladies and gents. I know you are sick and tired of that peon named Nick. I know he runs this channel, but I'm the real fisherman here, you know. Watch this, I'm about to catch this bass right here.
Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Get that, boy!
Get up there, get him up there, before it comes off. Don't grab this fish, watch it.
He's a feisty one, boy!
Yeet. Hell yeah. Feels so good.
Yeah, I just gotta figure out how to work it.
Yeah, rate of speed is the main thing.
Oh, god damn it, mother!
He gone.
There went my picture.
Oh, well, you got it on camera, it happened.
Yeah, true.
You know it happened.
True. I'm catching him again, that little bastard. He gonna get a picture with me.
Alright. Better move on to the next spot.
Whip it real good.
Over here in Hyco, Texas now is where we ended up stopping. There's a little bit deeper hole down here. I'm gonna go down here and cut David off because he's never been here and he doesn't know it's down there. But if we don't make some progress or find some deeper water, we'll tie on some little spinners, maybe a beetle spin or something, and get after some of these sunfish. You on him? I knew there'd be fish in this deep hole. You know what's funny? I just said on camera when I was down there, I was like, I gotta hurry up and get down here and cut, because I was like, I gotta cut David off on this spot, because I knew there was a deep hole right here because I fished here before. Send him home. Send him home, Daddy Dave. He'll go. He'll go. Ooh, he got you wet. Oh my God, he's still on. I had a fish, I got snagged, and I still caught him. Little spotted bass. I thought he was off. I got hung on a rock. Little fella. Pretty though. I saw him come out. Because, you know, I was yanking it along and I saw a little flash dart out from under that little mat of shit. I just saw a little black flash, and so I stopped it. And sure enough, he smoked it. Apparently, you just need to reel it fast as shit and yank the hell out of it. Little bronzy. Get out there, big fella. It's all about how you wiggle your tip. That's the trick. Alright, that's it for today. It wasn't exactly a wild and crazy day, but for just the drive back from another failed experiment, we did it alright. I mean, hopped around to a few little creeks, something we weren't exactly planning on doing, just spur of the moment thing. Found a few fish. Got to look at some pretty creeks. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll see y'all next time. Holy shit.